2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, stability control, xenon headlights, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, fog lamps, heated driver's seat, heated steering wheel, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, airbags, tachometer, leather seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.